Satnam Ji. I am so thrilled that you're here. Thank you so much for supporting our channel, for sharing, for buzzing and liking us, for asking questions or making comments. We are very, very interested in what is in your heart. And thank you for checking us out at bepresentwellness.com. And right now we're going to check in with the Angelic Star. It's one of the Vogel cuts. Right below there is a link to the intro to Vogel Crystals and sacred geometry and how we are working with it. So right now I'm gonna begin by sharing one of my very, very favorite stones is the blue-green Colombian obsidian. Up to now I had no idea that obsidian came in different colors, never mind it is gorgeous, gorgeous. It's like a gemstone quality. And so it's this beautiful, beautiful green. And so this is a angelic star, direct connection with the angels here. We are not messing around. So it is this cut, according to principles of sacred geometry, is in the form of a six-pointed star resembling angel wings. So it is just absolutely exquisite. And I'm going to show you the back of the cut so that you can see this sideways. That's the back of it, and that goes right in your heart, in your throat, if you have a higher color, if you want to put it down in your solar plexus. So this is a very beautiful, beautiful way to connect with the angelic energetic. The angel star opens a clear channel of communication with the angelic realm, and it really is all about us asking for assistance and co-creating with the divine. So the next one I'm going to share with you is this beautiful angelic star amethyst. And it's right here. Let me move it this way so you can see it better. And it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful tonality of amethyst. This angelic star pendant is designed to facilitate the wearer connection with divine awareness, providing access to the ancient wisdom teachings of the universal storehouse of knowledge. So this is really tapping fully and deeply into that upper realm. And this is really a very nice one for people that want to really connect with intuition and deep healing. It's just very exquisite. And of course, depending on the stone and the quality of the stone, then you have more gifts that come with it. So our next one is an angel aura. And as I have a few pieces with angel aura. So this is where silver is put in, and it's very lengthy. I'm just gonna say bake because it's a oversimplification of the process, but essentially they bake real silver with clear quartz, and it creates this beautiful iridescence. And that is also right above is this beautiful cut with blue topaz, which taps into all kinds of different other energetics. But it's so wearing the angelic star over the thymus gland, in between the throat and the heart, aids in alignment of the person wearing energetic bodies with the original blueprint for soul evolution containing an individual star seed. So that is one very powerful place to put it in. I am always amazed with the gifts that come from wearing these pieces. I actually have such deep gratitude for all the things that I have been able to work with and clear and ignite and amplify within myself due to these absolutely gorgeous pieces. Thank you so much for checking us out, for learning with us. We're going to be posting some more interesting videos about what the heck you do with these crystals and how you can not only beautify but also to work in alignment and become more and more aware of your energetic field and become more empowered in who you are and who you're becoming. So many, many blessings. Thank you so much for sharing this energetic with us and being here, and know that we just really, we thrive in serving you. So let us know what you like and how may we serve you better. Many blessings. Sat Nam.